It's kind of a feedbacky type thing, but you can slide into the 15th fret of the second string to get the same kind of effect. And then we have 7 on the third string, and then 9 to 9 going down those different strings. 7, 9 on the A to 7 on the D. So then we'd have a rake down this minor type of triad shape. 9, 7, 6. So we're raking down to that 6, back to the 7, 9, to the 7. Let's look at that again. We got. So 9 to 10 to 9 to 7 to 9 on the D, and then we got. So that's 7, 9 on the A, 7 on the D, back to 9 on the A, 7 on the G. So go down the D string, that 9, 7, and then we got A string 5 to big 7. So we got. Now we have a new part. So we have 2 5s on the A, 7 to 9 on the A. We got a 7 on the D, back to that 9, 7 on the G. Quick hammer 7 to 9, pull off 9 on the A. So we got back to that 7 on the G. Hammer 7, 9. Hit a couple more 9s, a little pull off at the end. So we got. And then new part. Okay, so let's look at all that we got. We wait a second for after the 1. We have 7 on the G. Pull off 10, 7 on the B. Back to that 7 on G. Bend the 10 on the second string. Little 7. Bend up and down 10 on the second string to the 7. So 10, 9, 7, 9, 7 on the G. Then we have a bend on the 9, let it come down, go up to the 11, do a 1.5 step bend. So 7 on the G, 2 9s on the D. So then we have 7 on the G, pull off there, and the 9, 9 on the D. Give those a little bit of a artificial harmonic thing. So let's go on back a little bit. We got. 4th string, pull off, 9 to 7, 9 on the A. Big 5, 7, and then 5 on the A, big 7 and back. 7 to 9 slide on the A, 7, 9 over here, and then 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 9, back to 7. So let's listen to that. We got. Okay, so now we're in the next part of the solo. So we go into the 11 on the G. We have 10 and 12 on the B. Back to that 11. 11, 10, 11. Little 10, little bend. Then we have 10 to 11, and we get into a series of repeating licks. So 10, pull off, 12 to 10 on the second, 11 on the G. So it's like 8 of those, and you end with a bum, 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 bum. Now we're up to the 17th fret for the high stuff. We're going to go 2nd string, 17. We're going to bend that up, the 17 below it. Try to give it some vibrato right there. So it's just up and down, pull off, 16 over here. So watch your tab on that you got. Okay, so boom, boom. Then we're gonna go pull off. So we have 2 slow ones here, and then we get faster. And then we're moving up high, 14, 17 on the 1st string. Bending that 17. So bend, 17, 14. Bend that 17, 14 to 15. Back to those notes. And then. So it's 15 on the second, and then 16, 14 to 16 going down. So from the 14, 17, we got. Okay, we're getting towards the last parts. Okay, so 14, 17, then bend it. So da 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 da. So da da da, bend. 14, 15, 14, 15, and then we're gonna slide into that 15 from 1 fret below. So 15, 16, 14, 16, 14, 17, and then 16 on the D, and then 11th fret chord there, F sharp. So 11, 11 on the D and G. Then we're gonna bend this 9. Hit that a bunch of times while it's bent. 6 on the G, 9 to 9, D to A, and then bum, 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 7s to 9. So bum, 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 ba-dum, bum, 9, 7, 9. And then we have our last riff of the solo. So 4, 2 on the G, 4 on the D, 2 on the G, 4, 2 on the D, and then 3, 2, oh, big 2, whammy bar going down on that open. So we got. Okay, and then you're back to. All right, the great Ed King on the guitar solo on that one, Working for MCA, Lynyrd Skynyrd. I got one more lesson I got to get to eventually, and that would be the outro solo where they're like. So one day we'll get to that. Hope you all dig this. Here's more tabs with this. This was the Ed King solo from Working for MCA, Lynyrd Skynyrd's first album. Hope you all dig it. Talk to you soon.